Rodents will chew ordinary foam, so when sealing larger gaps, we must use rodent-resistant backing with our foam sealant to keep pest entry points closed for years. Start by choosing a closed-cell spray foam for structural rigidity and water resistance, and plan where to place metal backing before you dispense any foam. For gaps wider than 1 inch, first pack in a dense copper mesh or stainless steel wool firmly into the opening so the rodents face a metal barrier before reaching the foam. Apply the foam in layers, allowing each layer to cure until tacky before adding the next to prevent voids and reduce expansion pressure that can warp thin flashings. For very large gaps, fit a metal flashing or sheet metal plate that overlaps the opening by at least 1 inch on every side, secure it with screws, and then foam behind and around that plate so the metal takes any chewing attempts. When sealing around window and door flanges, push foam under the flange to create a continuous seal and then cover the exposed foam with trim or a rigid backer to protect it from ultraviolet degradation and mechanical damage. Wear a respirator, nitrile gloves, and eye protection, and work in well-ventilated conditions. Follow the product cure time and avoid trimming until fully cured to get a clean, durable finish. Common mistakes include relying on foam alone without a metal backing, which invites chewing, so always insert copper mesh or stainless steel wool first and press it back far enough that the foam bonds around it. Another issue is overfilling cavities, which causes excessive expansion and can warp frames, so fill in controlled increments and allow full cure between passes or use lower expansion foam for tight tolerances. A third problem is leaving exposed foam outdoors where sunlight and weather degrade it, so cover with trim, metal flashing, or a rigid cover and inspect yearly to recoat or replace any damaged sections. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where users share real-world tips, product experiences, and installation details about rodent-proof foam methods. We help contractors find work by letting them answer questions, post examples of their work, and engage directly with homeowners searching for pest proofing and sealing services.